Yo, what's going on everyone? So today, it's pretty exciting because I am officially counting it as the first day that we are starting to work on the Drift Camaro project. There she is. As you've seen her before, doing some burnouts and stuff. But I'm particularly excited to drift this car because not many people do it. It's a big honking boat and it screams America. But anyways, so the first big thing that we're doing to set it up for drifting is getting rid of this automatic transmission. I'm just starting to get that process done. As you can see, I got all my O2s unhooked. I'm getting the exhaust out of the way. Then I'm gonna get the drive shaft and this brace and blah, 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 blah. A million things to take out and get this transmission out of here. So stay tuned. All right, transmission swap has begun. Drive shaft's out. Torsion brace, I think that thing is, or whatever bracing. Out, exhaust is off and in pieces, as you can see. So now I've just been disconnecting some wiring. I'm trying to drain as much of the ATF out as I can before we pull it so it doesn't make a huge mess. And that's about where we're at. Come back in a little bit for another update. All right, so as you can see, we got everything yarded out. Automatic transmission is dropped over there. So that's our big honking automatic we took out. Here is our 6-speed we'll be throwing in. So now we're just waiting on a couple of the small parts. Got to get a throw out bearing and a flywheel, new clutch and slave cylinder, so everything's fresh and ready to rip. And then we'll be looking good. I have removed the automatic shifter and the center console piece. We got some work to do. Gonna have to yard out a big hole in the middle there to get our 6-speed shifter up and through. Steering column and some other things that can come out so we can get our standard pedals in, clutch, brake, gas, and I'm gonna have to do some wiring to get stuff like our reverse lights, clutch neutral safety switch, and yada yada, all wired up so everything's functioning, working 100%. Also, another quick thing too, when we had bought the Camaro, there's already coilovers in the front, but there wasn't any coilovers in the rear. So we got these bad Larrys. Looking spicy. That. Got the wrenches, spanner wrenches for adjustability. Got our hardware kits, some type of needle roller bearings, probably for the springs to sit on. Here's our springs, very cool. Here's our mounts to get it mounted up in the car. Other mount, nice, good quality, good paint. Like it, love it, want more of it. As you can see, steering column's out, automatic pedals are out. We're gonna have to cut the hole right here for the clutch master cylinder to go through. Then get this pedal assembly in. There's all of our interior pieces. We're gonna have to cut a hole here for the shifter as well. Moving along, moving along. Man, it's been hard to work all day today because my boss has just been like staring at me. It won't leave my side. See, there she is, like, just leave me alone. What do you think about the progress we've made on the Drift Camaro so far? Oh, okay. All right, so thank you to Camaro Master Will for coming by the shop yesterday, not only gracing the parking lot, but helping me out with having to cut some of the holes. So it's kind of hard to see, but right here is where I have to drill a hole for the clutch master cylinder. And I think as I showed you before, we also started cutting this hole for the shifter to come through. Yep, there's that. So that's what we're gonna be working on next. Show you the final product when it's done.